At Dam Coolers, it is our mission to utilize innovative and eco-friendly technologies to create products that set new standards of style, simplicity, and practicality for the cooler market. Our flagship cooler, the Dam 25 Hard Cooler, is truly one of a kind. Its groundbreaking vacuum-insulated thin wall design gives the Dam 25 the unprecedented ability to retain ice for up to a week without sacrificing its lightweight or impressive volume. The patent-pending D-latches reliably seal the cooler shut in a simple and ergonomic fashion. Designed with organization in mind, the Dam 25 features divider and basket accessories, giving you enough loadout options to make it work for any occasion. With its high performance, ease of use, and room for customization, the Dam 25 is the epitome of everything we stand for at Dam Coolers. Made out of durable thermoplastic polyurethane materials, the SoftCool 15 and SoftCool 20 pack most of the insulation punch of the DAM25, but now in a more utilitarian and portable fashion. With features like the patent-pending soft dividers that can double as storage pouches, a hard pouch for sunglasses, and a myriad of other functional pockets, our soft coolers bring functionality with every inch. For soft coolers, portability is the name of the game. That is why the DAM SoftCool line flexes practicality by allowing users to carry however they please, whether that be by hand grip, shoulder strap, or optional backpack straps. Our soft coolers truly reach the apex of utility and portability, making them the ideal choice for your next hike, picnic, or beach trip.
What does adventure mean to you? Adventure can mean a lot of things depending on who you ask. In these times, I crave any bit of escape. Feeling the outdoors, the textures, the sounds. For me, it's less but better. Having the right tools that will last means something in today's world. The versatility. Charcoal or wood-fired meals, the surface options, I find myself excited to cook in nature again. The setup breakdown isn't bad either, and it only gets better with age. So when you ask what adventure means to me, this is it. Cooking a delicious meal, being in nature, disconnecting and reconnecting, all at the same time.
Introducing the Raptic Titan and Titan XL. Portable, rechargeable batteries for powering your adventures and keeping you safe in emergencies. The Titan and Titan XL are silent and eco-friendly power solutions for use in any situation where you might need power. The more compact Titan features a battery equipped with 224 watt-hours of power, while the Titan XL has double the capacity with its 500 watt-hour battery. Both models are easily capable of powering your mobile devices, CPAPs, computers, and small appliances, so you can be prepared for the unexpected, whether you're at home or on the road. The Titan and Titan XL both feature a 12-volt car port, a USB-C port, 3 USB-A ports, and an AC outlet for powering your devices. You can recharge your Titan using USB-C or with the included wall adapter. And you can recharge anywhere from your home to your car and even outdoors with a solar panel. Both models are constructed with a durable aluminum body with rubberized corners for extra protection. They have a handling strap for easy portability, and the larger Titan XL can be worn over the shoulder with a shoulder strap. The Raptic Titan and Titan XL. Compact, portable, and powerful, giving you power where you need it most.
is Beluga, our new environmentally friendly product. Kao Beluga is exclusively made of recycled plastic. Yeah, because, well, plastic's not exactly lacking these days, is it? Why is it white? Well, other than the fact that it is really beautiful. Textile dyes are extremely bad for the environment, so we got rid of them. That's why it is as white and pure as this Beluga. On top of that, even our aluminum is eco-friendly, using less chemical treatments while saving energy and water. Oh yeah, of course, it's still multifunctional and entirely modular. Kao Beluga is meant to accompany you in any of your outdoor activities. The best thing about Kao is that we know how we would use it, but no idea how you will. It was absolutely essential for us to create a product for the outdoors that also respects our planet. Kao Beluga, your eco-adventure partner.
Introducing the U-Pack Pro by Instinct Ready, the most versatile, practical, and functional 72-hour survival system available. Whether you are fleeing a disaster or going on a weekend adventure, the U-Pack Pro is stocked with life-saving gear to sustain you, featuring a convenient internal storage system to keep your gear organized and accessible. Maintain peak hydration performance with emergency water, water filter, water bottle, and hydration bladder. Stay energized with delicious non-GMO and nut-free food rations and a portable lightweight cooking kit. The U-Pack Pro introduces an industry-leading shelter and warmth solution, allowing you to not just survive, but thrive. Unique to the U-Pack Pro is a custom storage cube for your clothing, including recommendations of what to pack. Stay clean, fresh, and comfortable with daily toiletries. During harsh conditions, you can breathe easy and see clearly with the N95 mask and safety goggles. When an unexpected medical emergency arises, the first aid kit is accessible and ready to go. Improvise, adapt, and overcome changing circumstances with a variety of tools to light and find your way. Stay informed and keep charged. And while other bags focus only on starting a fire, we help you keep it fueled with our foldable handsaw. When on the run, your gear is only as good as the bag it's in, which is why we focused on such a high-quality, durable backpack. The sturdy, water-resistant fabric will hold up when you need it the most. The laser-cut MOLLE webbing system gives you the versatility to attach additional gear to the outside of the bag. Though often overlooked with other systems, the U-Pack Pro provides a spacious and roomy interior, ensuring sufficient space for additional items you want, giving you a truly customizable and personal experience. The padded shoulder and included hip straps help evenly distribute weight, allowing for increased comfort and stability. The U-Pack Pro was designed for survival, but to maximize your value, it is ideal for everyday adventure too. Don't just buy it and stow it away. Use it, and use it often, so when disaster strikes, you will be instinct ready. So whether you are preparing for a potential disaster or an outdoor adventure, don't just be ready, be instinct ready with the U-Pack Pro. Survival built, adventure ready.